Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tutor. I am Vikas. Today we are going to learn how to host a static website on AWS S3. This is going to be a fun lecture because we are going to host a simple static website on S3. So for that purpose, I have two different files, an index file and an error file. So the index file is the main page which hosts a simple message called hello world. The error file is an alternate to the 403 not found if you hit a URL and the page is not found. So rather than that display, this page, this error.html will be displayed. So it has a message under maintenance. Please visit after some time. So I have kept both these index.html and error.html on my local machine and also updated the same on the S3 bucket. So I have updated both these files into the S3 bucket already. If you see, both these files I have copied from my local to the S3 bucket. The most important thing you have to keep in mind before hosting a static website is that you have to mark both the not both all the HTMLs which will be utilized in making the static website. So I will go here in the actions and make them public. Now if I go to properties of this bucket, we see a static website hosting which was disabled by now. So I will use this bucket to host a website. You have to remember or have to save this particular endpoint which is customized for your static website. There are two important things which you have to remember is to mention your index file, that is the main file, and an error file which we have already created for the 403 404 not found. And we will save it. And if you go back to static website and select the endpoint, this URL will be the source for your static website. So you see, now we can see the index.html is being displayed. Suppose if you go here and we select something like home, an alternate address, so this page doesn't exist. So you see, our error page error.html is displayed. If you have any doubts or concerns, do comment in this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and happy learning.